Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. Today I will be having another session for use case scenario for requirement fulfillment which we use in our day-to-day development activities. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT. Please watch my videos till the end for complete information. So now let us see what is our use case. Use case is like change choice field color. So let us see in detail what this use case is all about. So whenever any category changes in incident form, color should be changed for that category field. So let us try to implement in our personal developer instance and see how we can implement this. As you can see, this is my personal developer instance and now I will show you how we can implement this use case. So let me try to click on incident list in new tab and now I will click on any of the incident and I will see right now category is not having any color here, right? If I click on here, so this is all it is showing as a white color, right? And now I will show you how you can add the color based on different categories. So now let me try to create OnChange client script here. So configure client scripts. I will click on new. And I will write OnChange client script and yeah. Category color. Alright, so now what we will do is like, okay, so we will just remove this. So we will use the parameter this control. And we will see one example like how we can utilize this control parameter, right? So let me use this control.style equal to background color. So this will be under single quotes or double quotes. Alright, so let me just change it in an appropriate way. And now what we can do is like we can write a switch case here, so through which we can find what is the value for this category. So right now I didn't select any category. So now what we will do is like we will set on change of this category, the color should change, right? So I will select the field name as category. So I have selected category field here and now what I will do is like I will use these category fields here and I will set the background color based on those. So first case is, so we will see what is the inquiry background value. So this value would be inquiry. So let me just add. And now what I will do is like I will select control.style equal to, I will add this. So suppose on inquiry I will write a green, or we can change it to, yeah, let it be as green. Let me just try to execute one, whether it works or not. So I have saved this client script, and now let us see how it works for one field. So I have selected inquiry 1. So this is already selected. So let me try to select another category, software, and save it. So no color is reflected under software category. Now let me select this inquiry. So now you can see color is changed to green. Right? So this looks quite interesting, right? So let me try to change it for other values as well. So let me just reload this form, and I will add this for all the options like software, hardware, network, database. So I will just copy it, and I will add this 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I will see what all values are there: software, hardware, network, database. So I will select here software, hardware, database, and network. So I will write here database, network, so there will be break as well. So one will come here. And now you can see we don't have any warning here, right? So let me try to change color for all of them. So suppose I will do this as red. Red I will set for network, right? And software I will select orange. And this I will select yellow. And this I will select brown. Alright, so now let's see how this output looks us. So let me save this OnChange client script, and let me try to reload this form. So I have reloaded this form, so you can see the color is started displaying here. Alright, so now you can see we have multiple options here. So let me open this inquiry and let me select hardware. So hardware can be yellow. I will select networks. So you can see red color is started displaying on network. And if I click on database, so this is another color which I have set as brown. So all the categories is having different colors, right? So this looks quite interesting. You will be also looking to implement on your client environment, right? So this is all about this use case. Please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts, or queries related to this session. For more information, please visit the description section under this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.